Alright, just wanting to show how to convert a 10-round Csspecs magazine into a 5-round magazine using the restrictor plate. We recommend that you wear safety glasses when doing this because it does contain a spring that's under some pressure, just for safety. And you can use basically a small pair of pliers, needle nose, and a kind of blunted small flat screwdriver. These are helpful. I'll be doing it with just a loose 308 round. This is an inert round, but you know, just what you have at hand. All right, first thing first, we're going to press the button, the takedown button. Slide the floor plate off just partially so it catches. All right, this is under a fair amount of tension, so take it off carefully. You'll notice you'll allow the front of the floor plate to rise a little bit. Catch the retaining plate. Get a grip on that. Once you have it, remove the floor plate, set it aside, allow the spring tension to come off, and remove the internals. Now we're going to remove the regular retaining plate. Grab on right on this section of spring and pull the spring off the clip. And then the same with this one, you can kind of rock it out and get a grip on it. And then roll the spring off through this retaining hole. Take the restrictor plate, insert the spring tip into the retaining hole, and you'll see the kind of orientation with that. Slide it through, roll it to about the halfway point, and then start with the open end of the coil, hook it in. Be aware that the spring is a little bit on the sharp side, so careful about grabbing the end of it. Alright, and these are a little bit tighter because this restrictor plate does kind of make the retainer a little bit tighter. So we're just going to push that end in and then roll it over and push this end in. Alright, now that we have that in there, let me push that in a little bit further. We just make sure that this is facing 90 degrees more or less. We insert the this portion of it, the stopper, into the rear rib of the magazine. Alright, kind of guide it in there. Push it down, hold it down. Insert the floor plate. Make sure your two buttons, or your two little tabs there, go all the way through the holes. Alright, and get your finger out. Push it all the way down, and then push the floor plate down on a flat surface, lining the tab. Once the tab goes through, you'll hear that click. That's locked in. It's ready to go.